Hello friends, today we are going to learn about type conversion and type casting in Python 3. I am Kishore Kumar. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about basic concepts. In this session, we are going to learn type conversion, implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion, key points to remember. Before learning type conversion in Python, you should have the knowledge about Python data types. Type conversion. The process of converting the value of one data type, that is integer, string, float, etc., to another data type is called type conversion. Python has two types of type conversions. One is implicit type conversion and another one is the explicit type conversion. In implicit type conversion, Python automatically converts one data to another data type. This process does not need any user involvement because the interpreter automatically converts. Let's see an example where Python process conversion of lower data type, that is integer, to higher data type to avoid data loss. Now open the idle. Now let us take two values. One is the integer value and second one is the float. First one is the number. Let us say integer equal to 1, 2, 3. Now, num equal to float 1.23. These two values, integer value and the float value, these two, if we add these two, and the resultant value stored in the new value. Num integer plus num float. Here what we are doing is, we are integer and the float value are adding. The output is the resultant value we are going to store in the num underscore new. Now we will see the types of these integer and float. We will check the types of this integer and float using this. See here, the integer value is the class of integer. You want to this 1 to 3 is the class of integer. Similarly, the other one is type of num underscore float. The 1.23 is the class of float. Now check the last one, new, the type of num underscore new. See here that two values 123 plus 1.23. Total is 124.23. It is the class of float. Here we added two different data types. One is the integer, second one is the float. Integer is the lower data type and float is the higher data type. If you add these two, the result value also is a float. Here the output is in the data type of float. Here the data loss is nil. Similarly, now let's try adding a string and an integer and see how Python treats it. Let us take num integer equal to 123, num string is equal to 456. 456 is the string here. Now you can check with the type function. Type of num integer. See here 123 is the class of integer. Similarly, we will check the strings 456 class. See here, it is the class of string. If you try to add these two data types, then what is the output? See here, print num underscore int num underscore string. It gives the typing error. It gives the type error, data type error. Why? Because here you cannot add the integer and string. Okay. In explicit type conversion, users can convert the data type of an object to a required data type. In the implicit conversion, we cannot add the integer type and string type. But in explicit type, you can add. To add the different data types, you have to use the predefined functions like integer, float, string, etc. to perform the explicit type conversion. This type conversion is also called typecasting because the user caches, that is change the data type of the objects. Let's see the syntax, the required data type and expression. Typecasting can be done by assigning the required data type function to the expression. Let's see one example. Here we will add the string and integer using the explicit type conversion. Let's go to the idle. Here first we will give two variables. 123 is the integer and the next one is the string. Already we have seen these two data types here. One is the integer class, second one is the string type. Okay. Now directly we'll go to the explicit conversion. If we want to add the string value to the integer, we have to change the strings data type to the integer. It is to be done to the num string value is equal to integer of num underscore string. Here the string is converted into the data type integer. So you can easily add these two. Num your sum is equal to num underscore integer plus num underscore string. Now see the output. Num underscore sum. See here. After adding these two, the output is 579. You can check the type of this num underscore sum by using this type of num underscore sum. See here, the output to 579 is the 5 integer. It converts to integer value. Okay. Key points to remember. Type conversion is the conversion of object from one data type to another data type. Implicit type conversion is automatically performed by the Python interpreter. Python avoids the loss of data in implicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion is also called typecasting. The data types of object are converted using predefined functions like integer, float, complex, etc., etc., etc. In typecasting, loss of data may occur as we enforce the object to specific data type. Okay, friends. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn about the Python's input, output, and import functions modules. If you like these tutorials, please subscribe this channel, friends, and please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Please see this tutorial lesson is available in PDF file. The link is given in the description. Please download it. Signing up by Kishore Kumar Vacha.